Hell yeah! Back like I never left. It's a Dilophosaurus. Part 2! I'm back to give you another blow to your brain. Yatch! Who's the one that stands 22 feet long? Who's the one that rests Jurassic with his crescent fire tongue? Dilophosaurus. It's the one that rocks Dilophosaurus. Who's the one that stands 22 feet long? Who's the one that rests Jurassic with his crescent fire tongue? Dilophosaurus. It's the one that rocks Dilophosaurus. Touchdown is highway 4,300 kilometers away. The road that the past will last is still living its last days. And it makes a fact that I survived every known extinction that has happened in our planet's history. And to this day, I remain a mystery. And I'm still here and romping around. The archipelago. I'm hopping for a stompin', hunting will I go. It's your time to let the humans know what time it is. A moment y'all might be waiting for us, so don't y'all dare turn your backs on me. I see something totally lacking on this planet despite the state of environability. Where's that now? I can totally smell the vibe. While everybody be saying good vibes, ain't no good vibes around here. And my eyes are moving around the country, so you won't be surprised. Rocking my way. On the beach all the way up to the valley. Pushing out every furrow, get you on the grass and stumbling past the through the valley. The higher the elevation gets, I'm reaching to the top of my game. The first man sitting on top of the island, you better know my name. Who's the one that stands 22 feet long? Who's the one that rests Jurassic with his crescent fire tongue? Dilophosaurus. It's the one that rocks Dilophosaurus. Who's the one that stands 22 feet long? Who's the one that rests Jurassic with his crescent fire tongue? Dilophosaurus. It's the one that rocks Dilophosaurus. Who's the one that stands 22 feet long? Who's the one that rests Jurassic with his crescent fire tongue? Dilophosaurus. It's the one that rocks Dilophosaurus. Who's the one that stands 22 feet long? Who's the one that rests Jurassic with his crescent fire tongue? Dilophosaurus. It's the one that rocks Dilophosaurus. Hell yeah! It's the Dilophosaurus, returning from extinction. And he's coming right back at you with this Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus.